Touchdown Cebu! Go, Michael. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Tama ba?
Yes,
Tama ba?
yes.
Ayun, nakita nyo, marunong na ako.
May kayo. Saba cookies dito sa Camotes Island.
Beginning tonight, we will now be Sister LGUs. At yan po ay bagay na pinagmamalaki ho namin. Bakit ho kami bumiyahe ng napakalayo para pumirma ng kasunduan? Una-una sapagkat gusto naming matuto sa magagandang ginagawa po ninyo. Huwag niyo pong iisipin na dahil kayo po ay bayan sa Camotes Island ay wala kayong mababahagi sa amin. Marami ho kaming matututunan sa inyo.
I'm very proud that we're one of those LGUs that come to your attention. Napakalaki ng San Juan City. Kami napakaliit. We're only 5th class municipality. We're the only 5th class municipality in the province of Cebu.
Local product po namin kasama ang basket.
Oh, Mayor.
Thank you.
Personalized na sapatos.
Wow. Saba cookies.
Kasama cookies. Wow.
Sa iyang tabliya dito nila.
Oh, wow.
Happy kaming lahat dito na nagpunta sila sa aming bayan.
Magpasalamat kami na binisita kami ni Mayor Zamora dito sa Bantayan.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Santa Fe, sa Bantayan Island. At yan, na-meet na natin si Vice Mayor at mga councilors. Vice, please say hi.
Hi po! Welcome to Santa Fe. Hope you could visit here sa Bantayan Island po. Hello, good afternoon.
Yan, nahuli ako nila Vice at nila kung siya na nagsa-selfie. Kumusta po kayo?
Salamat at napuntahan mo kami.
Of course, of course.
Talagang hindi ka namin malilimutan.
Thank you, ma'am. So in the last 4 months, I have been to Cebu 3 times. Ganyan ko kamalang Cebu. At it is an opportunity for me to learn about your province, your culture, your heritage, your best practices. Mayong kapon sa ilang panahon. So, daghang gwapo-gwapa diri sa Danao. Pinakagwapo, siyempre, ating mayor. So, kami nagpapasalamat po, Mayor, Vice Mayor, and Councilors for very warm welcome. And this is an opportunity for us to be able to share our best practices. As you know, this po siguro, we really engage in sisterhood agreements because we believe that we can learn from each other.
We are hopeful that this partnership between the City of Danao and the City of San Juan bear fruits for the mutual benefit of both our peoples, for the continuing development of both our cities.
We're joined by the Commissioner of Climate Change Task Force also.
Grabe parang mga basketball player kayo lahat.
It's an opportunity for me as mayor to meet all of you, and possibly some of you may also decide to invest in San Juan. Earlier I was sharing that a lot of Cebuanos have already invested in San Juan.
Mission accomplished po tayo dito sa Cebu. Lahat ho ng ating layunin ay ating naisagawa. At ako po ilubos nagpapasalamat sa mga minamahal natin Cebuano sa inyo pong napakainit na pagtanggap. Magkita-kita po tayo muli sa ating pagdalaw sa July para po sa ating League of Cities of the Philippines National Executive Board Meeting at Visayas Cluster Conference. So, see you all.